Why did I stop uploading videos to YouTube? That's probably the #1 question I've been getting lately. In the comments, on Instagram, and even in emails. And the answer is, I didn't stop. I never quit. I've actually been posting more than ever. Hey foodies, it's David here. If you've been wondering where I disappeared to, the truth is, I've been right here. Still cooking, still filming, and still sharing new recipes. But for some reason, YouTube decided to keep me a secret. I've been doing this for almost 9 years now. Over 1,000 recipes. 500 million views just on YouTube, and an incredible community that I love so much. But lately, many of you just don't see my videos anymore, and it's really frustrating. I spend so much time testing, filming, editing, and then I upload. And what happens? Nothing. YouTube hides it. Even people who have been subscribed for years tell me, David, I didn't even know you are still making videos. Well, I am. I never stopped. The truth is, YouTube has changed. Even if you're subscribed, you might not see my new uploads unless you engage. Now, if you're wondering how to actually start seeing my videos again, here's the thing. YouTube these days only shows you the videos it thinks you want to see. So even if you are subscribed, you might never see my new videos unless you kind of remind YouTube that you like them. So if you do want to keep seeing my videos in your feed or in your recommendations, just do these small things. It really helps. If you enjoy a video, give it a like. Maybe leave a quick comment. Even something like, I'm making this, or that looks so good. It tells YouTube, I want more of this. And make sure you're subscribed. And that little bell is turned on. So when I upload something new, you actually see it. And while you're watching one video, go watch some of my other videos. Maybe one you missed. The more you interact, the more YouTube understands you actually want my recipes in your feed. And here is something really important. I've realized I can't depend only on social media. So if you truly don't want to miss a single recipe, the best thing you can do is join my free newsletter. That way, you'll get all my new recipes, tips, directly to your inbox. No algorithms, no drama, just food and fun. You can sign up on my website or just check the link in the first comment. It's completely free and takes only a few seconds. So yeah, I never stopped creating new content. I've been doing this for 9 years and I'm not going anywhere. I'll keep sharing my love for cooking and baking, and I truly hope you'll keep cooking along with me. Go check my latest videos after this one, hit like, leave a comment, and let's remind YouTube that the Cooking Foodies community is still alive and hungry. Thank you for all your love and support over the years. You are the reason I keep doing this. See you.